echoes our purpose, belief, strength, fairness. An award-winning actress whose roles are testaments to courage, resilience, and authenticity. She embodies the heart, voice, and spirit of Patas Na ang Laban. A living testament na sa bawat pagsubok ng buhay, may powers ka. Entering now, the radiant beacon of our televerse, Miss Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, and thank you for joining us here in our Talaverse. I stand with you as we champion everyday heroes, mga Pilipino katulad ko na hangad ay magsimula, lumaban ng patas at umangat. Ang sabi ko nga, ngayon, may powers ka na rin. I've walked journeys of courage and authenticity, and I see that same strength in every one of you. At kasama po natin ang Tala, we embrace patas na ang laban because when we share trust, tools, and access, every single life becomes a very heroic story. Let us all ignite hope, spark, transformation, and rise together in this new universe kung saan may kasama ka na para makalaban ng patas sa buhay. Mabuhay ang bawat kwento natin.
At mabuhay na ikaw, Miss Judy Ann Santos! Welcome to the Talaverse, Miss Judy Ann Santos. Palakpakan naman po dyan! Grabe po, Miss Judy Ann. Can I just say, from a superhero on the screen to a super mom, and now a super beacon for the Talaverse. Welcome. How does it feel to be part of the Talaverse?
I am honored. Yan ang isa sa mga masasabi ko talaga. It is an honor to be given this trust. And if to inspire people and to just send the message across na lahat tayo may laban sa buhay at patas sa magiging laban natin sa buhay, I am all for it.
I couldn't think of a better and more fitting celebrity endorser for Tala. Congratulations once again. Tala, ang ating Tala spirit. When we say Tala, you scream, Pantay ang laban! Tala!
Pantay ang laban!
Tala!
Panis ang laban!
One more time! Tala!
Panis ang laban!
Ito, pantas o pantay?
Patas, pantay, patay. Oh, lahat same naman yun. Pantay, patas, fair po ang lahat. And now, we would like to ask our friends from the media